hello. Huh?
My daddy.
Mommy and Daddy. Sing na lagi Jack and Jill.
What are you doing?
You don't know how to sing it?
No.
Yes, you do.
Jaga apa?
Good morning, welcome back to our channel. Happy Wednesday, everyone. Today is a very exciting day for Daddy Mike because where are you going, Daddy?
Get a haircut.
Yeah, so Daddy Mike is going to get a haircut today after what, a few months. I think the last one was around April. So Daddy has got an appointment for 11.
Yeah.
So we'll show you his hair now, guys. See, that's very long now. He can even tie it. Ayan. And then the other side. Ayan. Modeling. So mamaya ipapakita natin sa inyo kung ano na yung bagong look ni Daddy Mike. So I'm not too sure what he is planning to do with his hair. But I know one thing for sure. I know he's going to look really good. Do you miss going to the barber shop?
Very much so.
Yeah. So there you go, guys. I will go pick him up later and we'll go lunch together. Good luck, Daddy.
Love you.
Enjoy!
Say bye.
Love you, bye! So it's only 11:55 ng umaga, guys. At magla-lunch break na si ate nyo. Medyo napaaga tayo today kasi si Daddy Mike natapos na yung haircut niya and pipick upin natin siya. And also, napag-usapan namin na we're gonna get something to eat outside kasi, oh my God, guys, very, very exciting news yung natanggap namin kahapon. So, starting today, open na yung mga shops dito sa Melbourne. Yay! Oh my God. So, dito sa Victoria, guys, it has been a few days now na 0 cases ng COVID tsaka no death. Kaya yun, nilift ng premier namin dito sa Melbourne yung restrictions. Kaya open na yung mga shops, yung mga small businesses, which I'm very happy about. Kasi alam ko na, kailangan talaga nilang mag-open na to survive. Kasi we've been in lockdown for over 3 months na ata. So close yung mga shops and everything. But today, yes guys, start na naman, open na naman tayo. Although yung pagta-travel, still 25 kilometers away, hindi ka pa rin makakalabas ng Melbourne, but I am very happy with that. At least now, guys, we have a little bit of normality. Hindi yung parang hindi ka nakakalabas, wala kang nagagawa kasi na-stuck ka lang sa bahay. Yun na nga yung sabi ng premier namin dito na until na magkaroon ng vaccine for COVID, guys, there is no such thing like normal. There's only COVID normal. So, yun na nga, guys. We'll take what we can get from this. I'm very happy. Anyways, guys, alis na tayo kasi si Daddy Mike ay naghihintay na doon. Kakapark ko lang dito, guys, and you know what? It's crazy. Nahirapan akong maghanap ng parking, guys. It's been a long time na nahirapan akong maghanap ng parking kasi, 'di ba, free yung spaces dito before kasi walang open, and ngayon na open na yung lahat. Everyone is out, guys. Like, seriously, everyone in Melbourne is out today. Especially yung araw, hindi siya maulan. Sunny siya, guys. O medyo mainit nga kasi nag-jacket ako. Everyone's super excited to be out. Kaya nahirapan akong maghanap ng parking, guys. Anyways, chika pa more. Punta na tayo kasi si Daddy Mike ay nag-order na for me. And, oh, by the way, guys, akala ko pala na take out lang kami ni Daddy Mike. Sabi niya, since drive naman ako, tapos madali lang yung pag-uwi namin sa bahay, we'll just eat here. Diyan, guys, oh, nandiyan siya sa harapan. Dito na lang daw kami kakain sa sa restaurant. Oh, have a look at this view. It's so dark. Yeah?
Huh?
It's so dark, can't see. Oh, look. Ah, they didn't cut a lot.
Huh?
It looks great. Do you like it? Oh, it's too dark. There it is. Good job. Looks good, Daddy. Here's our food. Nag-order na pala si Daddy Mike.
You can't cut a lot.
Yeah. Oh. So, Daddy, how do you feel about being able to eat out again?
Yeah, very, very, very happy with that.
Yes.
For free. I feel like a human.
Yes.
I look gorgeous. So good.
You do. No, you do though. Yeah. Your haircut looks great. Do you agree with me, guys? Although, I came here, guys, without knowing na dito kami kakain. Kaya tingnan nyo ang aking suot, guys.
Mama looks
Tingnan
great.
nyo ang mga tao, guys. Oh, tingnan nyo. Punong-puno ng mga sasakyan dyan. Oh, diba? Last time, wala yung mga sasakyan dyan, guys. Like, free lahat yung car space na yan. Pero ngayon, sobrang dami. Tingnan nyo, may mga tao pa dyan sa likuran. Sobrang excited talaga yung mga tao. Tingnan nyo ang aking outfit, guys. Oh? Naka-jogging pants. Anyways, the food is yummy.
I just think Paris will be able to go out now. Paris will be able to go out again.
Yeah. Yeah, she'll be really happy. Sobrang laki nito, guys. Oh, paano ko ito mauubos? This is calamari, salt and pepper calamari and chips, and then the sides. And then I'm having, what's this one, Daddy? Lemon, lime, and bitters. Daddy knows me. Ayan. Tingnan nyo, guys. Punong-puno ang car park. Grabe. So guys, it's now 12:40 and kakatapos lang namin ni Daddy Mike sa aming lunch. Ayan. May naiwan pala nung calamari and chips namin, guys. Kaya pinalagay ko dito kasi sayang naman. How much is this one, Bob?
All together?
This one.
I can tell you how much it was all together.
Ayan. How much was that?
62.
$62 for that lunch.
Coffee, drink, and two mains.
Marami pa siyang laman, guys. Anyways, sobrang ganda ng araw today. Ang ating camera ay nakatabingi. Sobrang ganda ng araw today, guys. Like, seriously, it's very warm. Kaya, hinubad ko yung aking jacket kasi sobrang init na dito sa loob ng sasakyan. Oh, Daddy, show your hair, B. Your new look. Teka muna. Fix natin. Ayan. Show, B. Ayan. What do you think, guys, of Daddy's new hair? New look. It looks really cool. Tingnan nyo. Mahabang-mahaba pa rin sa likod. Parang, ano lang. So, he can still tie it if he wants to. Yeah. So, yung kinat nila ay dito lang sa gilid. On the sides. Did they do your beard too?
No.
No?
Maybe this part here, but I don't think so.
Yeah. No, it looks good. It looks really good. It makes me very excited for my hair appointment
Yeah, I thought you
on
were going to say something else then.
next. Huh?
I thought you were getting excited for something else.
Oh, guys, by the way, it's 28th of October today and it's our monthsary. So, did you greet me happy monthsary today, Daddy? You did not, did
I
you?
did, but we talked about it this morning before I left.
Yeah, monthsary namin ni Daddy Mike today, guys.
And your lunch was the gift.
Ito pala yung gift niya sa akin, guys, in lunch.
Where's mine?
Huh?
Where's my gift?
Oh, you wait like that. Oh. Anyways, guys, it's time to go home kasi back to work na naman kami. It's the time of the day now, guys. Pipick upin namin ang aming baby girl. Tingnan nyo ang ating flowers sa labas ng bahay, guys. Oh, super nice, Daddy. Yeah?
Yeah.
There's more there, oh. Ang daming mga bulaklak. Super sunny din siya, guys. Kahit na 5:10 na. Anything? Nah. Love the weather today. Hindi mahangin. Hindi maginaw. Pero naka-jacket pa rin sa atin. I'm being cautious, guys. Kasi alam niyo naman ang Melbourne. Kahit na warm tingnan, pero very cold pala. Is it working?
Can I do it?
Mommy, do it. So please wait like last time. Oh no. But have a look, Daddy. They changed it. Remember this unicorn last time?
Yeah. There's nothing now.
No, it's different. No.
And Mommy and Daddy.
Yeah. Go, Daddy. Paris. Where are you going?
Mommy, I'm gonna go for
Ano?
just like that.
Don't fall down, Paris.
Wonderful.
Come on, you do it. You go. Push. Push.
Guys, oh, it's good to see. Open na yung mga shop. Red Cup. Open. Last time we were here, they were closed. Now, open ang JB Hi-Fi, Daddy. Oh my God, makes me so happy. I know it's late now, so yung ibang shops are closed, but
Look at the car.
have a look at the car now. What is that? Temporary out of service.
So you can sit in it.
Woohoo! Is that your car?
Yes.
Nice car, Paris.
Nice driving. Beep,
Beep,
beep.
beep. Big girl lang ating baby girl, guys. Oh, tingnan niyo siya. Hmm? Not so baby anymore, anak. Wait, Paris.
Tito.
Tito. Tito, Paris holding mommy and daddy? Good job. Hello. Huh?
My daddy.
Mommy and daddy.
See?
Ano yan, Baba?
This way, Paris? Dito tayo ngayon sa Walmart.
I need a thing.
Ooh,
Basket.
mango. Honey, let's go get mango na. Yeah.
Is there a bag there?
Oh, get your plastic bag, okay? Cheap na yung mango nila ngayon, guys. Oh. Remember last time sa IGA, it's $6 each.
I'll do it.
You do it. Okay.
Mommy.
You wanna open this? To mommy? And mama will put one there, okay? Wow.
Where it go?
Where did it go?
Open, mommy.
Where did it go? You want mama to help? Wait, don't put in there. What's that?
Open.
Mama will open the other end. There you go. Open. You hold. You hold.
Get black one.
Huh?
Like this.
This one. Ooh. Put it in there, Paris.
Paris, put it in. Out. You put it in. Thank you.
Wow.
Parang, Baba, parang.
That's not the one na.
Not this one.
Find the pink lady.
That's the old.
We'll go get the pink lady.
Hey, this apple, Paris. This one. Again. This one.
That's not the apple, the pink lady.
How do that?
Yeah, the pink lady.
One. I want 4 apples, please.
Okay.
One.
She's choosing to.
2.
Choosing lagi ka na.
And this one.
This one. 3. One more.
Well done, Paris.
Thank you.
Good job. What's that? Your mate. Help daddy ka. Help daddy ba? Come on. Come on. Paris. Woo. Come, let's go. Come on. So have a look, nak. Oh. Do you like this one?
And this one.
Do you like pork, nak?
And mommy.
Come with me. What did you say, nak? What's in there? What's that?
What? Right?
Huh?
Oh, not orange.
Orange?
No.
What is it?
Why?
What is that? Have a look, mommy, look. Allah.
Very high.
Very high.
We get it?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Can you reach it? Oh, good job. It's too high enough.
I do it.
Paris can do it. Paris, jump.
Go to daddy.
Whoa. Whoa. Good job. Good try, honey.
Go do it.
Mm.
I do it.
Mommy, do it.
Okay. I I get it.
Mommy did it.
My big jump. Papa said,
Paris jumped, babe.
big.
Jump. Woo! Woo! So yung mga shops dyan guys, yan, lahat yan, nag-open na yan siya kanina. So, very, very nice.
Too high.
Super happy. Where did you bump your head? Show mommy where you bumped your head, be. Be, show mommy. Quick. Paris bumped her head. Hala. Gubot na pag-ayo din na. Where did you bump your head? Oh, is it there? Oh no, are you okay now?
Oh, okay.
You're okay now? Oh, are you okay?
Okay.
You're okay. Okay, just go, mommy.
Okay. Bandage in my head.
You want bandage on your head?
Please.
Please. Okay, Mama will find a bandage, okay? You want to sit on the couch? Mama will find a bandage for you. Okay?
I'll make it one.
It's now 7 o'clock, guys, ng gabi, and yung chicken natin ay nasa oven na, and the rice is cooking. I can smell it. Did you find the bandage or not? Did you find the bandage? No? No? See, have a look at tita and tito. Hi, everyone. Yung positive quote of the day natin, guys, is this one. Ayan. I don't know if makita nyo. I am excited to wake up each morning and experience this beautiful life that I am creating with my thoughts and vision. There you go. More. Up down, naga. Wash the face. Like Mama. Mama, wash the face.
What's your
Good girl.
Wash your face.
Wash your face. Wash your face.
Wash your face. Oh, okay.
In the
morning.
Early in the
Oh,
morning. Wash your face. Hands na yun. Wash the hands.
Me do it. I soap.
Soap. That's not soap na. That's daddy's gel. This one you can put a little bit. Baby.
Me do it.
You do it just a little bit, okay? No more. Like that. See? Good girl.
Are your face?
Not in the face. Just wash the hands. Come on. Where's brother finger?
Yeah.
Okay.
There.
Icky sticky, icky sticky. What's next? Bubble
Bubble.
gum.
Huh?
Bubble gum. Ang buhok nga gubot. Can you sing for Mama, please?
Bye, Teresa. We got the money. Mommy, mommy.
Yes, Paris.
About my head, a boo-boo. I know, mommy, and we are mega boo better now.
There, baby. It's okay. I know it hurts. Wipe your tears away. With bandage and a kiss. Just right. We'll make your boo-boo.
Jack and Jill up the hill.
Oh, Jack and Jill. Okay, you sing it.
You do it.
Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. You see?
I do it?
Yeah, Paris do it.
Now I do it.
No, Paris do it. Mama
No.
sang already.
Mommy, do it.
Paris do it. I'm the boss.
I'm the boss. Sige
na ba? Managkanta si Mama. Ikaw na po.
You do it.
No, you do it now. You do it this
You
time.
do it.
Go ba?
It's my tummy.
It's your tummy. It's my tummy.
It's my tummy.
It's my tummy.
It's my tummy. It's my tummy.
Sing na lagi Jack and Jill.
What are you doing?
You don't know how to sing it?
No.
Yes, you do.
Jaka chua apa? Apa bina mini down awake on the morning? Apa? Ate mita mini. Inti agasta.
Kana nga tunay mo na.
Agasta.
Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water.
My dear.
Kasiyon. Uy, saban di ka karon sa silingan. Brush your hair na kamara kag balbal. Ikaw bi balbal. Wak.
I finished.
Ikaw bi wak.
Mind the play iPad, please.
Play iPad, please. Brush your hair because the witch will come if you don't brush your hair. This is the way I brush my hair. Nakbugal-bugalon man ka na ko eh. Brush my hair.
I finished.
No, it's not finished yet. Hi ulit guys! It's now 10 o'clock ng gabi and nandito tayo ngayon sa ating bathroom kasi tulog na silang lahat guys apart from me. Maghihilamos pa ako ngayon and i-end na natin ang ating vlog. Maraming salamat always sa panonood nyo ng ating video. Mag-shoutout lang tayo. The first shoutout goes to Ivy Haushan, Cherry Salazar, and also to Olsi Lainon in Negros Occidental, Luz Tiongson from Tacloban City, Edeline Manosa, and also to her mother daw, Yoli Manosa sa Claveria, Misamis Oriental. Hello! Shout out to Lisan Bansil, Jancy Pinay, Australia, Cherry May Ongayo, Sally Saminiano, Cherry Ramos and family, Norberta Nono, Rosemary La Rosa, Maricel Mabalot ang saya kahit kailan, Jonah Reese, Faye Guarnes, Queen Survivor TV, Joanne Owano, Earl Kitsi, Emelda Dilio, Medin Maraon, Vanji Terado, Cactus PH, Marde Pido, Emeline Himao, and Itis Antoha. That's about it for today's video guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!